If you notice, it says continue with configuration dialog. We always want to answer no to that in our classes because that's going to ask you some questions which will configure things for you, and we would much rather configure things ourselves than have the wizard to do it for us because we need to learn the commands. So the lab sheet says you configure the host name. So to be in configuration, you need to type enable and then conf t, configure terminal, whatever you like to type for that. First thing we want to set is the host name. I'm going to name my router 0. Then it says to set some passwords. We're going to set the enable password using the enable secret command, and we're going to set it to class. There's also an enable password command, and I'll use it as well just to demonstrate something to you in a few minutes. Enable password CNT. The other passwords we want to set a console password. So to get into the configuration mode, to set the console password, the command is line console 0. Once you're in there, two commands we want to do. We're going to type the login command, which enables the login process, and then we want to set the password, and we'll set that password to secret. All right, we also want to configure telnet. Telnet is accomplished on the VTY line 0 to 15. We'll do telnet because configuring SSH requires some extra configuration that we're not going to do at this point. So first you put line VTY 0, 15 because there's 16 virtual terminal lines, and then you type the same commands, login, and then the password you want it to be, we'll use CNT again. So that's the password configuration. The thing I wanted to show you was in the configuration, the enable secret command and the enable password command both showed up. The difference is the enable secret command, the password is encrypted. I can't see what that password is. It's actually hashed. The enable password command is in clear text. If both of these commands are in the configuration, only the secret command will be honored. You will not be able to get enable mode using this enable password if the enable secret command is also in the configuration. So that was the interesting thing I wanted to tell you about that. If we scroll down here to the end, you can see line console 0, password secret, and login. And then the VTY lines get separated into two different entries, and that's just a legacy issue from when routers only supported 4 VTY lines.